In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Translate for laptop. We will do this by installing Google Translate as an app using Google Chrome, so it behaves much more like a desktop program. First, open Google Chrome. If you use several browsers, make sure you open Chrome specifically, since these steps only match what Chrome shows. When Chrome is open, you should see the address bar at the top, and your usual homepage or a new tab screen. Now open Google Translate. In the address bar at the top, type translate.google.com, then press enter. The Google Translate page should load, with two language boxes side by side, one for the source language and one for the translation. Take a second to confirm you see the big text area where you can type words or paste sentences. Next, click the three dots menu in Chrome. Look in the top right corner of the browser window, just under the Window Close button. You will see a small icon with three vertical dots. Click that once, and a long drop-down menu will appear with many options, like New Tab and History. From there, move your mouse to the option called Cast, Save and Share. This sits in the middle part of the menu and may have a small arrow beside it. When you hover on it, a side menu opens. Beginners often miss this because they move the mouse too far and close the menu, so move slowly and wait for the side menu to appear. In that side menu, click Install Page as App. Once you click it, a smaller window appears in the center of your screen. It usually shows the Google Translate icon and the name Google Translate. This option tells Chrome to treat the current website as an installed app, so it can run in its own window without the usual browser tabs. Now click Install. After you click Install, Chrome quickly creates the app for you. In many cases, the new Google Translate app window opens right away in front of everything else. It looks like a clean window with only Google Translate inside and no address bar. That is how you know it worked. You do not need to download any extra file or run a separate installer. Chrome handles it automatically. After that, launch Google Translate from your desktop or Start menu. On Windows, you should see a new Google Translate icon on your desktop, and also in the Start menu under Chrome Apps. On a Mac using Chrome, look for the app in the Chrome Apps section when you open Chrome. Opening it brings up the same clean Google Translate window, ready to use even if your main Chrome browser is closed. You have now set up Google Translate as a desktop-style app on your laptop, ready for quick everyday use. If this helped you get Google Translate working like a laptop app, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple tech guides.